everybody, welcome to Life at Sunny Lee with Kathy Jarvis. And it's middle of August, and we've had another busy week. We've been freezing watermelon, cantaloupe, tomatoes, just a touch of green beans. They're not coming on very well yet. Okra and zucchini. So I did that Saturday, which was all day long. Made tomato juice, and I made ketchup and froze the rest of the stuff. And then on Sunday, I actually took the day off. Monday, I went up to our son's house and finally loaded that sofa up and brought it down, and it's at the consignment shop. Hopefully we can sell it and he can get some money for it. And then on Tuesday, I had the house to myself because my husband went over to Ohio to be with our middle son because he had to have a colonoscopy the next day, and he needed somebody to drive him and to make sure he was okay afterwards. So he stayed there Tuesday and Wednesday and came back home Wednesday night. So while he was gone, I worked up here on the balcony and I rearranged the furniture. And I cleaned off, washed down the chairs. I'm actually thinking about replacing them, but they washed up fairly well. So I may be able to get another year out of them. I was thinking about putting another one of those hanging chairs that I simply love in here. But as long as I've got good furniture, there's no need to do that. I did take the pillows off, and I am going to try to use some Rust-Oleum fabric paint on them. We'll see how that turns out. I just haven't had a chance to do that. Because while I was working up here, I got stung by a wasp. So that kind of put a damper on things for a little bit. And then on Wednesday, I didn't get as much done as I wanted to. I got most of the sweaters and things that I had left over from last winter that I hadn't gotten around to washing and cleaning and putting away. I finally got those washed. They're not put away yet. They're still in the laundry room, laid out flat drying, which they have to do. And then on Thursday, I planted the fall garden. And so the greenhouse is completely planted. I planted some peas, carrots, celery, bunching onions, turnips, a whole bunch of lettuces, and some Swiss chard and some kale and some spinach. So hopefully that will all come up. Most of those are going to be ready to harvest late September, early October, with a few things going on into December. But they're in the greenhouse, so they should be okay. I may have to cover them or put the heater on. But yeah, that's just mainly the celery. And that was just a fly-by-night. I thought I'd just give it a try, see how it would do. You know, as gardeners, we have to experiment with things. And then today I have my doctor's appointment, and everything turned out well. The only thing I did not realize is that they have changed the mammogram recommendations from every 2 years now to every year. So I have to have another mammogram. Not exactly my favorite test, but it is what it is. But other than that, everything's okay. Of course, I knew I should lose weight, and he kind of said, yeah. But I didn't. You don't have to lose as much as he said. I mean, as I thought. I thought he had to lose a lot more, but he cut in half. So that makes it more, what's the word I'm looking for? Attainable? Yeah. I think I can accomplish what he wants. So I'm also going to meet with a dietitian to help with that. So hopefully we can get this 20 pounds off and I'll look and feel better. So that is what we've been up to this week. And so it's been a fun week. I've gotten a lot done. So hope you have a good week. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed, think about subscribing. Hit the bell icon. share it with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Dream big and follow that dream. Bye, everybody.